Alright, I couldn't help myself. New project incoming. This one should be a lot of fun. 75 cab, 78 Ford F250 Highboy chassis. Not in bad shape. Body's pretty straight. A little bit of rust going on, but all in all, not bad. Yeah, my fuel tank rocks. Probably gonna go with flatbed. I've already started to do a little work, remove some of the junk off of it. I'll show you the inside. Not horrible. So yeah, wiring's kind of a mess. Well, nonetheless, like I said, should be a fun project. Take it through all the way. Not perfect, nothing you're gonna see on Barrett-Jackson auctions, but pretty cool in my book. Enough. You want to leave just a little bit of rust, that's what they say. Just want the big stuff off. But she is ready to get the rust converter on her. Here we go. There it is. Come back, do one more coat, and then we'll get ready to go from the cab forward. Start pulling that off, and I'm going to pull the fenders off, doors off. I'll shoot them all independently. And put on new brake lines, fix the e-brakes. Should be good.